What's up YouTube, Scott the Car Guy here again with another video. Today we're going to be changing the spark plugs as well as the coil packs. I'm going to walk you through step by step on exactly how to do that. So let's get to it. So the things that you're going to need, 6 OEM Bosch spark plugs as well as 6 OEM ignition coils. This is a thin-walled socket for the BMW turbo motor spark plugs. In comparison, this is a traditional spark plug socket, so you can see the size difference pretty clearly there. Not with this particular install with these spark plugs, but this is a spark plug gapping tool. These spark plugs use a tri-tip design, so you don't actually need to spark them because you don't need to gap them, sorry, because they come pre-gapped. So I just have like a general toolkit. The first thing that you want to do is disconnect the battery just for safety. Some people debate whether or not you actually need to do this, but I figure, hey, it takes 2 seconds, let's just do it anyways. But yeah, so the first thing that we're going to need to do is remove this upper plastic portion just so we can access the engine. Then we're going to take this cover off, and then we'll be able to access everything that's inside there. So once you disconnect the battery, you're going to undo this tab as well as this tab that's holding this piece in place. And then there are a few more tabs back here, one back here, and then I believe there's one in the front as well to remove this piece. After you remove these two pieces, you're going to want to get an 8mm socket, and you're going to take off these 6 bolts covering this top cover here. Now you can just take that off, set that aside. Then next we have to disconnect this from this piece. Then we'll remove these 2 sensors, and then we'll take off this piece, and then we'll have access to take off the engine cover, and then we'll be able to get into the spark plugs and the coil packs. Next, you're going to disconnect these plugs from your coil packs. So just disconnect this from your coil pack right here. Now, to get this coil pack out, there's an easy trick. Just put a socket extender right here, and with a little bit of pressure, it will just pop out like that. So let's take a look at these. You know, a little dirty. Looks a little bent too, possibly, but compared to a new one, so now with our thin-walled socket as well as our extender, we're going to get inside and take out the spark plug. So first spark plug out, not too bad. Definitely some black and some carbon in there, just to compare that to a new one. So this is definitely going to help out and get us running smoother. So I'm going to work on installing this new spark plug as well as the new coil pack, and then we'll repeat the process. So I have all the new plugs installed and all the new coil packs installed. We're just going to do the first startup. works. Everything seems to be in order. I'm just going to put all the trim, the engine cover, all that back on, and then I'm going to do a little shakedown just to test the performance and see if it's improved the drivability at all. So that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you found any of the information useful, leave a comment, a like, or subscribe for future videos. I have so much planned for this vehicle, so remember to subscribe so that you can follow along on my BMW 335 journey. Until next time.